What's up, everybody? Welcome to another one. Today we're heading to the backyard to plant some sunflowers. So I'm gonna get back there. I tilled up a little patch a little while ago, and we're gonna get these seeds in the ground and get them started. Now, to be completely honest, I actually started some probably a week or two ago, maybe. I don't know the exact date that I did it. I started a few sunflowers in a small dish. I got them to come up, and I transplanted them just the other day. So I will start off by showing you those that I planted, and I planted them out pretty evenly. So at least I had a small stand of sunflowers that'll come up, and then we'll get these started today. Here's my little strip that I've tilled up here, and I've went through and put in some potting soil, and that's just to fortify the ground there to give these things the best chance possible. I was using that old board there, just as a straight edge so I could kind of keep these things in line. I'll probably put him down in just a second, you'll see that. But I'll show you here. I've started off, that one got a little bit covered up. I'll uncover him there. There's one. And I got these guys spaced out, oh, not perfectly, but about every 5 or 6 inches down through there in a row. So today I'm going to put that board that you've seen there back down. I'll show you. I'm going to hoe me out a row here, and then I'm just going to plant these seeds by hand. That should give those other sunflowers we started a little bit of a chance to come up. So hopefully they're staggered a little bit. That way as they come up and they bloom, you can see the heads on all of them. These are just for beauty's sake, and they should be big enough that hopefully some birds can feed on them this fall. So gonna get these seeds in the ground, and then we'll go through and we'll give them a little water and let them start germinating. As you've seen there, got my board down. That's just to keep me kind of in line there. Like I said, cut me a little bit of a trench there. Gonna try not to cover up these seeds too terribly much. It was kind of deep going down through there. And the way I'm gonna do this is I just got them here in my hand. Not a whole lot in that pack, but I figure putting them out by hand, that's gonna give me a little bit more control as I go down through there, as opposed to using just trying to sprinkle it right out of the little package. So we're gonna head right down through here, and we're gonna try to plant some seeds. Now that I got my seeds in the ground, I'm gonna go ahead and take this 5-gallon bucket that's about half full of water, and then I got that old dog dish there, and I'm just gonna give everybody a drink. I'm gonna give the newly planted seeds just a little bit of water, and I'm gonna run down through there and give some of those young plants a little bit of water also. So not really got a whole lot of rain in the forecast for the coming days, so it'd be all right to give them a drink. I'll get you set up and I'll let you see. That should do it as far as getting everybody a drink this morning. I wasn't trying to pour directly on the plants. You may be able to see it, maybe not. I would run some water just outside, both sides, this way going down the first time, and this way when I came back on my second pass. And that's just so it kind of promotes a little bit of root expansion. That way they can be searching a little bit more for their water. Of course, that water is going to move down this groove kind of towards them naturally, so they'll get their water to get a drink, but it'll also promote some growth out and away from where they're initially planted. So got that little bit of sunflower patch in today. Probably gonna go back through once it is a little more established. Definitely kind of rough it up in there, break up that soil a little more, and then we'll probably plant a few more flowers out here by them. Not a terribly long video today by any means. I mean, pretty simple, just getting some sunflowers in the ground. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. It'd really make me feel good about doing this. If you like the channel so far, go ahead and subscribe. I'm still working on the pumpkins. There's been some real growth. I'll have an update on them soon. So be sure to follow that series here on the channel. And until next time, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.